Types of ANOVA and when and where do you use them? I'm sure you've heard of the test analysis of variance or ANOVA, but did you know that there are at least three different types of ANOVA and they serve three entirely different purposes? Okay, so the first one is called one-way ANOVA. This is done when you have one variable that you wish to compare across three different groups. For example, you want to compare the marks of mathematics for class 10 students in section A, B, and C. Now, the one variable that you wish to compare is marks and mathematics, and the three different groups would become the three sections of class 10 A, B, and C. The second one is called two-way ANOVA, and this is usually done when you have two variables that you wish to compare across three different groups. Continuing with the same examples, now let's say you want to compare the marks and mathematics for the three sections of class 10 A, B, and C, but you also want to understand if gender has a role to play in the marks. So when you have two factors that you wish to compare, which is the marks in mathematics and gender across the three groups, then the test that you apply is going to be two-way ANOVA. The last kinds is called repeated measures ANOVA, which is something that you apply on one group of people but across different or multiple timelines. Continuing with the same example, let's say you wish to understand how the performance of students of class 10A, which is section A, has improved or not in the first, second, and third internal, then the test that you apply on this lot of 10A students is going to be repeated measures ANOVA. An easy way to remember these three tests is if you have one variable that you wish to compare in three different groups, you apply one way ANOVA. If you have two variables, the effect of which you wish to see on three different groups, then you apply two-way ANOVA. If you wish to see and compare the effects of one variable but across different timelines or time points, then you apply repeated measures ANOVA. I hope this helps.